Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel Math CC. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you about few golden mantras that I follow in my life to stay happy. So let's get started with it. So the very first golden mantra that I follow in my life to stay happy is live in the moment. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen after some time. All I know is I have this moment. I have to live it up. So I enjoy every moment. I cherish every moment I spend with my family, my friends, or if I'm traveling. So yes. So another golden mantra that I follow in my life to stay happy is practice yoga. I can say this is the best thing ever happened in my life, that I started practicing yoga. It's been a year now. I literally feel yoga is really essential, not only for your body but also your mental health. In fact, it's really essential for your mental health. So yeah, this is something I love the most, and it really changed my life. I tell you, it really changed my way of thinking, and it really makes your mind, calm and relaxed. So yeah, yoga is really essential for your mental health, for your physical health, and also meditation, इट्स नॉट एन ईजी टास्क. जब आप मेडिटेशन करने के लिए बैठते हो ना, आपको दुनिया भर की ऐसी बातें याद आती है जो आप उस टाइम पे नहीं याद करना चाहते हो, बट योर माइंड रन्स इन लाइक फुल स्पीड. तो उसको ना काम करना होता है. तो फॉर दैट व्हाट आई डू, ईदर आई लिसन टू द म्यूजिक, कोई सॉफ्ट म्यूजिक जिससे माइंड काम हो जाता है, ईदर दैट, और योगा के कुछ आसनास ऐसे होते हैं कि वो करने से आप एक जगह पे बैठ सकते हो फॉर टाइम बीइंग, लाइक आप मेडिटेशन कर सकते हो, लाइक एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट तो कर ही सकते हो. देन या प्रैक्टिस मेक्स मैन परफेक्ट. तो धीरे धीरे करके हम परफेक्ट हो जाएंगे. आई डू मेडिटेशन. आई लव टू डू. Another golden mantra that I follow in my life to stay happy is to stay away from toxic people. In that case, I must say that I'm blessed. I'm really lucky because I get to meet really good people in my life. But sometimes आपकी लाइफ में ऐसे भी लोग आ जाते हैं जो दिखाते कुछ और है एंड होते कुछ और है. सो हाउ आई डील विद दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल, आई टेल यू, आई इग्नोर देम. आई रियली ट्राई टू इग्नोर देम. लेकिन जब मुझे यहाँ पे हिट होता है ना, तो आई जस्ट ब्लॉक देम. I just remove them from my friends list. I just remove them from Insta, FB, from everywhere, because my peace of mind is really important to me than any other people. Now, here, many of you will say that blocking is not a solution, but you know what? It is the best solution, I must say. Because I block people when I know that I cannot tolerate them anymore. I remove them from a list when I know that, sorry, I cannot tolerate them anymore. Okay, so yeah. So another golden mantra that I follow in my life to stay happy is to stay away from negativity. If I get any negative vibes from somewhere, I would really try to stay away from that thing. For example, recently something terrible had happened. Okay, that thing really shook my soul. That thing really made me so quiet that I didn't want to talk about it, I didn't want to know about it, and I didn't want to hear anything about it. But anytime I would go on social media, I'd get to see some or the other thing related to that thing only. Okay, so I can't stop that. I can't stop people to post about that thing. So in that situation, what I do is I stay away from social media for a while, because I know that I can't take it, because I know that it's affecting me, my mental health so much. So I would rather stay away from that thing, and that really helps. So another golden mantra I follow in my life to stay happy is listen to the music. So if I'm happy, if I'm upset, if I'm in party mood, or if I'm not sleepy, I just listen to the music. That's the best thing ever. So another golden mantra that I follow in my life to stay happy is do what you love to do the most. So recently I have discovered few things in me that I am interested to learn. Okay, that keeps me occupied also, and that gives me some sort of satisfaction. So yes, this is the best thing to do. Do what you love to do the most to stay happy in your life. So another golden mantra that I follow in my life to stay happy is mind your own business. Obviously, or in other words, I can say live and let others live. So guys, these are few golden mantras that I follow in my life to stay happy, healthy, and occupied all the time. What do you do to stay happy, healthy, and occupied? Do let me know in the comment section below. And I tell you one more thing, I'm really blessed that these small things make me really happy. So I do celebrate all my achievements, like even my tiny achievements. After all, achievement है यार, celebrate तो करना बनता है. So जो छोटी छोटी चीज में भी आपको खुशी मिलती है ना, वो celebrate करनी चाहिए. That's what I feel. That's what I believe. So do let me know, how did you like it? How did you find all these mantras? And do let me know, what do you do to stay happy and healthy in your life? Share it with me. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read that. अगर आपके पास ऐसे कोई अमेजिंग सा मंत्रा हो तो प्लीज मेरे साथ कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर करो. I'm gonna catch you soon with something really interesting next time. Till then, stay tuned.